Hello everyone, it's Gargi Call and we are back again with another video regarding the architecture studies. So the basic thing that we require in our architecture studies is the stationery. So today we will discuss about all the basic stationeries that every architecture student require in their 5 years of college. So I will be sharing my screen with you and we will discuss about all the equipments and the tools one by one. So basically for the architecture stationery, you do not require expensive tools basically. So you require only those basic necessary things that is the most useful for you. So the first thing we have is the drafting table. You need the most basic thing we have is the drafting table, which is basically on that you will paste all your sheets and you will do the drafting of the sheets according to the different sizes of the sheet, like the A1 size or A4 size, whatever the thing which is given to you by the college, whichever size they have told you. And next is the those all sheet you will contain them in the sheet holder, or we can say the container. And the next thing we have is the cutting mat. So basically the cutting mat is used for doing the cutting of the mount board, that it is used for in the model making basically. And next is the parallel bar. So this parallel bar gets fixed on the drawing board or on the drafting table, and this parallel bar is used to make the horizontal lines. So whenever you will make the horizontal lines, you have to make the horizontal lines only through the parallel bar. So basically there are some rules and regulations and some instructions that you have to follow when you do the hand drafting. And next we have is the triangular scale. So basically the plans and the elevation and the section that you make in your design project or in your architecture graphics subject. So all those things should be made in big scales. So to convert all those big scales into smaller ones, these scales are introduced, and in these scales there are all the measurements in centimeter and in meter and in different scales like 1:20, 1:10, 1:15. So according to the need, you have to use these scales, uh, and these are only you basically these are only used in the design projects. And next is we have the set square. So set square is used to make the vertical lines, and also this is helpful to make the lines at particular angles like 45 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. So basically, so all the vertical lines that you made in the draft when you do the drafting, that is done through the set square. And next is the scotch tape. So to paste the sheet over the drafting board, you have to use the scotch tape for that. And then you have you need all the cartridge sheet, and also the it is important that it should be hard, and it is basically you don't have to use the white, like you have to only use the off white color sheet. And next is the tracing paper. This is used in the design project because when you are given the changes, so all those changes are done in the tracing paper, and then the final thing is done on the cartridge sheet. And next in the design project, you need the dual brush pens, or you can say the brush pens basically. So these brush pens are required in the design project, and also in the art studio. Like in your first year, you have the art studio classes, and in that thing, this can also be useful. Next, you have the sketchbooks. Sketchbooks are basically required to make all the rough sketches and all the drawings that is required in the semester one. And next, to do the technical drawings and all the technical sketches that you made, that is done with some drawing pens that are used, that you can use the micron pens. So basically they are of different thickness like 0.1, 0.23, and these pens comes in different companies like Stedler, or you can say the Micron. So you can use either of them. And next are the drawing pencils that are used for the sketching and also for various other different types of technical drawings. So these also comes in different thickness like 2H pencil, 2B, 3B. So according to the need, like what you are like in different, like doing all the different shadings, you need different types of pencils to show the texture. So for that you need these pencils. So basically, these are all the necessary things that you required through up to your third year. So all these things are very important, and you have to buy them, even if you think that you will not buy them because they are, because it's getting very expensive. But these are the some of the basic things that you will always require, and you have to use them in either ways. So next is the mount board, and mount board is used for making all your models. Basically you can also use the choco sheet, and also these mount board comes in different thicknesses. Next is the steel edge. So steel edge is used in the process of cutting. And next is the inch tape. So inch tape is basically required to measure all the thickness, or to measure all the sheets, or it is also used in the field when you go for the field trips, or when you go to for the site visits. And next is the alcohol markers. So basically these alcohol markers are used doing the rendering. So when you will be introduced to the design subject, there you will there we don't call the word coloring. So so when you will come in the field of architecture, you will see that there are the terms which we used to know earlier are now changed with the high terms. So these alcohol markers are a bit expensive, but it is not important that you have to buy all of them. You can buy a specific number of quantity, so that the basic colors that you required in your rendering you can use. And next we have the brushes. So the brushes of different sizes you required in your art studio subject, where you will do the paintings, you will do the live sketches of the objects, or we can say live sketching of the surroundings. So in that thing this will be used, and for that you need the poster colors and the watercolors. And for the cutting of the mount board, you need the stainless steel cutter. So basically all these so basically in architecture studies, the use of scissor is not allowed. You only have to use cutter. Like even for the smallest things also, you only have to use the cutter. And next are some of the other basic things, that is the pencil colors. Like if you think that the alcohol markers are costly, you for the alternative of that, you can also use the watercolor pens water pen, color pencils. And next is some of the isometric rulers. So these are some of the other scales that you will require, the circle master, the triangular scales. And so these things are required to make the trees, to make the small things like in your plan, like the all the small details that you do in your plans elevation, that is done through these scales. And next is a cartridge sheet, a colored cartridge sheet. So this cartridge sheet you require in your basic design project, where you will be making your 2D plates through the design principles, and some other basic things like Favicol, Caesar, and Favibond. So basically, the sheet, the in your model making sheets, you will require to join them. You will require a strong adhesive. So for that, you have to use the Favibond and French curve. So when the things like oval or circle you have to make, so for that the French curve is used. And geometry box, where they that is the necessity, one of the necessity things, and this you will require for making the circles. And next is the grid book. So the grid book is required for making the furnitures in a proper manner, in a proper scale. Like in earlier times, we don't know that how to make furniture at a particular angle. So this grid book will help us to we can use it in a practice, that all the furnitures and all the small things how to make them at a particular angle so this grid book is used for that purpose. So this is it. So these were some of the things that you require in your architecture studies, and you have to buy them. So I hope that this video is helpful for all of the students who are entering into the colleges. So I hope that you must collect all these things before joining the college, and we will be back with some more amazing videos related to architecture stuff. And also like this video and must subscribe to Ignite India. Thank you.